Hey everyone, CatDog here, wishing you a happy puppetry day. Also, thanking you for being one of our 600 subscribers. Yay! So, as like a reward or a thank you, we're giving you a special look at my life. Yay! Crap. Unboxing! So, I got some unboxing to do. Whoop-de-doo! Here we go. Go. Unboxing. Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh, one of these things, one of those things, one of these guys. Oh, there's one over here. Yeah, okay. All right. He goes over here. Let's put this guy over here. You know what? Let me just get a professional shot of these. So this guy right here. This guy is, this is Rocco from Rocco's Modern Life. And then he's got the little dog right there. Little Spunky. Well, Spunky, what's going on, Spunky? How are you, buddy? That's what he'd say. Yeah, I love that cartoon. That cartoon was great. I don't know if you remember this. This guy was Quail Man. Yeah. And he was from the cartoon Doug. This one, oh, everybody remembers this one. Everybody remembers CatDog. CatDog was the best. He was a cat, he was a dog, and everybody was way more interested and figuring out how he pooped. That was the best part about CatDog. How did CatDog poop? Cat, dog. Where's his butt? Where's his butt? That's what everybody wants to know. Where's this thing's butt? Where is it? Where's that butt? Show me the butt. I want to know where the butt is. Where's your butt? Get out of here. Let's see what we have next. Interesting box. Oh, yeah. Let's see what's in here real quick. All right. Look at that. Run out. I'll wrestle you. Give me. Pile driver. Suplex. Oh, it came out. Oh. Wow. Mesh strainers. Ooh. Why the hell did I order this? Okay, so next we have whatever this thing is. Let's see what it is here. The heck is that? Oh, this is my neighbor's mail. Oh, J Delta here for World Puppet Day and for 600 subscribers. I thought I'd show you around town here at the local suicide forests, because if I'm going to take you somewhere, why wouldn't it be to a suicide forest? So here we are, just looking around. As you can see, total forest type stuff, or woods as the kids call it. That's a little colloquialism. We call it the woods. Yeah. What? Oh my god. Oh my god. Is that a dead body? What? Let me get it in frame. Hang on. I can't get it in frame. There it is. What? I didn't think I'd see a dead body. What? Totally crazy for me to find this. Well, that's the economy for you. Okay, so another thing I do every day is I look at stuff on the internet. Yeah, so let's watch me watch stuff on the internet. Here we go. Oh, that's so cute. All right, what's next? Oh, this is gonna be great. Let's watch this. Yeah, that's what I thought. What a jerk. He can't wrestle at all. Not like me. Champion. Champion material. Mm-hmm. Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh, what did I hit again? Stop it. Stop hitting stuff. Oh, I'm ruining it. I'm ruining the video. Oh, it's so sad. Just cut away. I can't log. Alright. Now let's do something a little more contemporary.
What is that joke? What is that? What is that? I came knocking on your door 1,000,000 times.
Oh, man. That guy's crazy.
Because you really need to figure out what's causing all these problems.
You see that? You see that? He's crazy. He's a crazy guy. You see that? Do you see this stuff? Oh. It's starting to rain. Gotta go inside. Oh, buddy, close up. So I hope you enjoyed my day as much as I did, and I hope you have a happy Puppet Day. Also, I hope you join us when we reach 1,000,000 subscribers. Or, 1,000. That's more likely. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you're not already. Bye.
Hey everybody, Jimmy Time. Please make sure you subscribe so YouTube recognizes me as a person. Also, don't use so much water when you brush your teeth and wash your hands. Also, sorry for throwing this video together in a day.